Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you two international teaching job vacancies. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL you can put www.mnu.edu.mv. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page of Maldives National University, Maldives. In this main page, menu available. In this menu, one of the option careers right corners available. If you click this link careers, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies for Maldives National University. So all the job vacancies are only for Maldivian. So only one post, lecturer marine engineering, new post English. So if you click this link, you can get, so what is the job application, what are the advertisement you can see in this PDF. The job is posted 8th June 2021. Name lecturer, field marine engineering. Basic salary they are given 12,687. Service allowance 5,437. Food allowance 1,800. Accommodation allowance 1,500 for foreigners. So all the salary details mentioned here itself. So make sure before applying, please check your qualification, job description, what are the requirement, all the things before applying you can check all the details. So here they are mentioning educational background, what are the responsibilities for the lecturer marine engineering. The closing date is 22nd June 2021, 12 p.m. Malay time. So interested candidate, please apply for the position via online form link below. So if you click this link, it will be redirected on online application form. Please attach your job application form, aggregated copies of your qualification. For foreigners, qualification submitted must be attested by Foreign Ministry of the qualification holders country. Employment letter for present and past employer, including duration of the employment. Copy of your ID card, that means your passport, and CV to the online form. Please find the job application form in the following links. So if you here the form for expatriate available. So if you click this link, it will be redirected on application form. Once you have completed the application form, you can upload this application form in the online form link. For if you want more information, please email jobs@mnu.edu.mv. This post is open for both Maldivian and foreigner, that means expatriate. So expatriates of selected for this post will be recruited on 1 year contract basis. So all the details available in the advertisement itself. So we can check form for expatriate. So this is the job application form for expatriate. This application form should take approximately 10 minutes to complete. There are only 5 sections in this application form. First one is information of desired position, personal information, higher education, work experience. Finally, you can give your declaration. So document to be submitted with the form they are mentioned here. That means copy of applicant ID card mean your passport, academic certificate and your consolidated mark sheet, CV and reference letter from past and present employer. Once you have filled this application form, you can upload this job application online. So if you click this link online job application form, it will be redirected in the online application. So this is the job application for marine studies. Here blue color asterisks are mandatory. So name of the position, full name, passport number, date of birth, present and permanent address, email address, highest qualification. Finally, you can give your declaration. So before submitting your application, you can attach your relevant document. That means your job application form, educational certificate and transcript, updated CV, passport copy, work experience and passport size photograph. So one by one you can browse and attach here. After that you can submit your job application form. Once you have submitted, you can get acknowledgement via email for your future reference. So this is the way you have to apply Maldives National University job application. The second one is you can enter in the URL mtview.id. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page of Mountain View Christian School, Indonesia. In this main page, one of the option staff needed. If you click this link, you can get what is the staff needed, what are the things, what are the teaching job vacancies for Mountain View Christian School. So here they are given Mountain View Christian School actively seeking 21-22 school year elementary teachers, secondary science teacher for life science, physical science, biology, chemistry, physics, environmental studies, secondary mathematics teacher, secondary English teacher, home parents, married couple. So this is 21-22 academic year job vacancies for Mountain View Christian School, Indonesia. So here job description, application and other forms also available. So if you are applying international teacher, mean international teacher job description. If you click this link, it will be redirected your job description. So general description they are mentioned. Term length is minimum 2 years is preferred. Work schedule 8:15 to 3 p. What are the benefit they are offering? Annual stipend, tuition benefit up to 4 children, continuing education, medical insurance, airfare, legal documentation, housing, utilities. So all the details are available here. Make sure before applying, please check your skills, eligibility, requirement, qualification and job description, etc. So please note that only shortlisted applicant will be contacted. If you do not hear from the school, please assume that your application has been unsuccessful. So foreign hire faculty qualification they are mentioned here. Must have minimum bachelor degree. So please check all the details before applying. So what are the benefits also they are mentioned here. How do you apply? So click on the application and complete the online form. Prepare a resume, that means which includes your educational background and teaching certification, your teaching or student teaching experience with description, dates and supervisors, your applicable work experience outside of teaching with brief description and dates. So these things are included in your CV. Read and agree to Mountain View statement of faith. So send current resume and signed statement of faith to employment@mtview.id. So you can send your CV with statement of faith, employment@mtview.id. So statement of faith here available. If you click this link, it will be redirected into the Mountain View statement of faith. So teacher's signature and date. Once you are completed, you can send the statement of faith and your CV to given email ID. So application are available here. International teacher application. So this is teacher application international. So please send a resume with this application including educational and work experience, personal information, personal history, position for which you are applying, references, personal references, Christian background. Finally, you can enter your email address. You can submit your job application. Once you are submitted, you can get acknowledgement via email for your future reference. So this is the way you have to apply Mountain View Christian School, Indonesia. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. Someone will be benefited. If you have any doubt about these job vacancies, you can comment. I will reply to you. If you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.